Activision Blizzard Inc. is a worldwide online, personal computer, video game console, tablet, handheld, and mobile game publisher. Activision Blizzard is the result of a 2008 business combination by and among Activision Inc. The common stock of Activision Blizzard Inc. is traded on the NASDAQ stock market under the ticket symbol ATVI. Through Activision Publishing Inc., Activision Blizzard is a leading international developer and publisher of interactive software products and content, with the focus on developing and publishing video games on various consoles, handheld platforms, and the PC platform, primarily based on internally developed properties as well as some licensed properties. Through Blizzard Entertainment Inc., they are the leading publisher of online subscription-based games in the massively multiplayer online role-playing game category. Blizzard also internally develops and publishes PC and console games and maintains a proprietary online game-related service, Battle.net. Blizzard distributes its products and generates revenues worldwide through various means, including subscriptions, sales of prepaid subscription cards, value-added services such as realm transfers, faction changes, and other character customizations within the World of Warcraft gameplay. Revenues associated within the Call of Duty, Skylanders, and World of Warcraft franchises combined accounted for 80%, 72%, and 73% of Activision Blizzard Inc.'s consolidated net revenues for the years ended December 31st, 2012, 2011, and 2013, respectively. On October 11, 2013, Activision Blizzard repurchased approximately 429 million shares of their common stock pursuant to a stock purchase agreement they entered on July 25, 2013 with Vivendi and ASAC LLP, an accepted limited partnership established under the laws of the Cayman Islands, acting by its general partner, ASAC LLC. Pursuant to the terms of the stock purchase agreement, Activision Blizzard acquired all of the capital stock of Amber Holdings subsidiary company, a Delaware corporation and wholly owned subsidiary of Vivendi, also known as the New VH, which was a direct owner of approximately 429 million shares of their common stock, for a cash payment of $5.83 billion, or $13.60 per share, before taking into account the benefit to the company of certain tax attributes of the New VH assumed in the transaction, collectively the purchase transaction. Immediately following the completion of the purchase transaction, ASAC purchased from Vivendi 172 million shares of Activision Blizzard common stock pursuant to the stock purchase agreement, for a cash payment of $2.34 billion, or $13.60 per share. This was the private sale. As of December 31st, 2013, Activision Blizzard had 704 million shares of common stock issued and outstanding, approximately 64% of which was held by the public. Vivendi held 83 million shares, or approximately 12% of outstanding shares of Activision Blizzard's common stock, and ASAC held 172 million shares, or approximately 24% of the outstanding shares of the common stock. Following is a table showing the quarterly periods of high and low reported sale prices for Activision Blizzard's common stock. At February 24, 2014, there were $1,718 holders of record of Activision Blizzard common stock. As you can see, between the years 2012 to 2013, sale prices increased. The second quarter had the highest sale price in June 30th of 2012, and the fourth quarter had the lowest sale price in December 31st, 2012. In 2013, the third quarter had the highest in September 30th, 2013, and the first quarter had the lowest in March 31st. Overall, sale prices of the common stock do not change much between the periods. However, there is noticeable change. In 2012, they were having trouble as prices decreased for the first quarter to the fourth. But in 2013, their stock prices kept increasing, which was good for them. The company was doing very well, as from the first quarter to the second to the third and the fourth, the prices kept increasing.